sparkly people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vera Valentinaa, your favorite burlesque YouTuber, and on today's episode we are talking about basic burlesque do's and don'ts. This video was actually requested by one of my subscribers, and I'm gonna go ahead and put her comment over here. I thought this was a really great question, specifically because my channel is all about helping you get further faster in burlesque. So if I can give you the basic do's and don'ts that I've learned throughout my time in the burlesque industry, why not share it with you? Now, before the burlesque community just gets up in arms about this video, this is not a definitive list. This is just things that I've learned over the course of my experience. So if you're ready to learn a few new things about burlesque, you already know what it is. Grab a drink, grab a glass. I got some burlesque do's and don'ts for that ass. Here we go. Do be yourself. Be who you are as a performer. A lot of new performers think that by copying a veteran performer's formula, how they dance, their costumes, their Instagram, their Facebook, if they use that formula, then they'll win. Don't do it. You're not medianoche. Get over it. Now. The industry is looking for originals, not copies. Do you. Don't bite people's moves, period. There is nothing wrong with being influenced. However, if you copy somebody's act or move or style exactly, that is not innovation. You're just biting. Don't do it. Take people's moves, take people's ideas and make them your own. No idea is original in the dance world, in the burlesque world, but we do our best as a community to try to innovate and elevate as opposed to copy and paste. Do dedicate time to your craft. No one is the performer that they want to be. And what I mean when I say that is we all have room to improve. You should be practicing all the time. You should be taking class. You should be stretching regularly. You should be coming up with new ideas, new jokes, fixing your costumes, always progressing. Don't limit yourself. A lot of new performers think, I am a classic burlesque dancer. All I do is classic burlesque. Explore. Try different genres, try different colors, try different costumes. After you've tried everything, then maybe you can go back and settle down into a singular genre or somewhere that you feel comfortable, but you should never be afraid to step outside the box. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm very anti-pants. So right now, as we speak, I'm not wearing any pants. Classic burlesque dancer. Do respect where burlesque comes from. Respect your elders, respect the history, learn the history, learn about the legends. Don't just jump in without researching, especially when it comes to choosing a burlesque name. Google it first, see if anybody else has the name, and if they do, don't pick that one. Pick a different one. Do choose your music wisely. You want to pick a song that not only fits your story, but it's something that you can dance to and that your audience will like, of course, without compromising your idea and your art. And that's hard. Really sit down and think about the song that you're choosing before you jump headfirst into an act. I promise you, you'll thank me later. Don't pick a song shorter than 3 minutes. That's absolutely too short. Don't pick a song that's longer than 5 to 7 minutes. That's entirely too long. Unless, of course, you've got a costume and a storyline to back it up. To be honest with you, most burlesque routines that are over 5 minutes long are usually competition and/or festival style acts, and you don't use those on a regular basis unless you're like a headliner at a huge theater show, which also means that you have a huge theater-sized costume, storyline, and props to fill that time. These are just my personal thoughts about timing, but I'm telling you, anything shorter than 3 minutes, you don't have enough time to connect with your audience, nor do you probably have enough time to take off your clothes. And with anything longer than 5 minutes, you're gonna lose the audience, no matter what you do, period, poo. Do give good face. Stage presence is absolutely everything. Feel it. If you're not feeling it, then the audience isn't feeling it. And if the audience isn't feeling it, they're not giving you any love or any vibes or any tips. I promise you, nobody's paying to see your dead fish face or your scary cheerleader smile. That shit's not sexy, boo. It's not. Stop it. Don't be afraid to slow down. A lot of dancers, when they first start out, feel like because they're feeling it and the audience is feeling it, that they have to rush all over the stage and that every moment of the song has to absolutely be filled with motion. And that is absolutely not true. Slow down. There is power in stillness. I'm telling you. There's power in the seduction of a slow hand, a slow leg, the turn of a head, the slow drop to the floor. Try it. They'll buy it. My final do's and don'ts are, of course, do have fun and don't forget to smile. I mean, if the smile goes with your choreography, of course. If you're not supposed to smile, then don't, but you know what I mean. All right, sparkly people, those were some basic burlesque do's and don'ts to take with you on the beginning of your burlesque journey. Now, later on down the line, I do plan to do some more in-depth burlesque do's and don'ts, like costume do's and don'ts, music do's and don'ts, choreography do's and don'ts, but we'll get to that later. Of course, if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please go ahead and share this video with a friend, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new burlesque video. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. I am so excited to help you guys on your burlesque journey. So sparkly people, share it with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video.